Hey guys, and welcome back to Learn How to Dance, where you can find step-by-step tutorial of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, Fortnite dances, and other awesome dances. So, today we're gonna do a dance tutorial of how to do the Beyonce Savage remix TikTok dance, and it's gonna be the one made by Cassidy Condie. Now, if you don't know who she is, go check out her stuff. I mean, not only is she an amazing dancer, but she's also super funny. And as always, thank you guys so much for all the requests, and thank you, Emma, for being the first one to request it. And also a big shout out to Jordan for being so persistent. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna break the dance into 3 parts. Now the first part is gonna end at gang, 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 gang. The second part is gonna end at please don't give me hype. Na 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 na. And the third part, well, the third part is just the full dance. Now, I'm telling you this because most people are only allowed to use 15 seconds of a song on TikTok. So if you're only interested in the first 15 seconds, then part 1 and part 2 should be enough. Alright, let me just quickly show you what we're about to learn. So it goes right, da, da, drop low, whoa, hey, hey, button up and right, and pop, whoa, gang, 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 gang. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change the YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. So, the very first move, your right arm is going to say fist, hit your hip to your left, then your left is going to hit your hip to your right, alright? So it's right, left. Notice I'm going down and level. I actually have a more detailed tutorial on how to do this hip move if you're interested. So it's down, up, down, up. Now from here, your right arm is gonna say swing around here. Pretty simple, right? So from here, down, around, here. And then you also wanna go a bit down, so when you swing it around here, you go down here. Yeah, so you're bending your knees a bit. So from here, around, as soon as it goes down, you wanna bend your knees, all right? And you wanna kind of do it a bit to the side so you can see, yeah, bote. All right, so from here, whoa, whoa. Your head is also saying tilt, back up, and it's tilting to your left, up. And you want to do that as soon as your arm is here. You want to start tilting, and then you bring it back up, like that. Yeah, so you want to go, boom. Yeah, getting ready for this. Now, I'm probably not the right person to tell you how to do this part, but I'm just gonna try my best anyway. So what I do is I think of a circle down here, yeah? So doing a circle here. And if you want, you can always just cheat. So have the screen just so it's cutting your legs off, and then you can just fake by pushing up your legs like that. Anyways, moving on. So from the tip to top, it's right, left. Now right arm swings around, down here, and then this part. So let's just try and practice that. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, left, swing, round. Let's just try one more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go boom, boom, around here. Okay, so from here you want to take a step back with your right, whoop, and you kind of want to stay down here because you want to shoot your hip up like that to the front. Notice how I'm twisting my leg like that. Knees, this left leg, left knee is going inwards, inwards, and my heel is saying flick, flick. So hip, hip. Now let me just show it from the side as well. So from here, I'm taking a step back with my right, and then I'm saying hip, hip. And you don't have to exaggerate with your hips, right? You can also just do a subtle one, yeah, where you basically just go up, up. All right, the arms are saying here. So the right is just holding something out here, and your left is saying touch and pull, touch, pull. Yeah, so it's going around, out, pull. So when you combine it all together, it's gonna look like this. Whoa. Hey, all right, let's just try and practice that. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go step back, round, pull. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go around, pull. Okay, moving on. So, around, pull. Now this next part is easy. You just take a step back to the front with your right again. And then you want to say point to the front, point up. You can even go a bit on your toes. And then you want to say around, roll. And you can also maybe do this rotating thing, yeah, with your body. So let's just go a bit back. Whoop. Hey, from here, take a step to the front, point, whoop, point up, and roll around here. Let's just try that. So we just did whoop. Hey, 7, 8. We go point up, around, stop. Let's just try a bit faster one last time. So whoop. Hey, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go point up, around, stop. Okay, we're almost at the end of part 1. So right after this, you want to drop your right and your left stays here, and you want to go chest here. Yeah, so let me just show it from the side. So we just did this, right drop, left stays, and you go chest back. Now from here, your right comes up, and then you want to go open up. All right, let's just go a bit back. So from here, right drop, left stays, you want to go open chest, right comes up, around. Now last part, my favorite part is gang left, gang right, twice here. So from here, we go right drops, left stays, you go pop, and then right comes up, open. Now it's gang, 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 gang. Alright guys, let us do it from the tip top. I'm gonna do a quick recap and then we're gonna practice. Okay, so let's do a quick recap. From the tip top, your right arm goes hit, right, and then left. Now you swing right arm around, here, down, bote. You want to take a step back with your right, bring your arms out, around your hip, and then go pull. From here, you want to step to the front again, say point to the front, point up, go down, roll around, and then you want to drop your right, left goes chest pop, and then you want to bring your right up, go around. From here, you want to go gang, right, gang, gang. And let me just show the timing as well. So, you go this cheek, then, drop it low, and then, text, and put you up, and then, I pop, frame, gang, gang, that. Okay, so let's practice. We're gonna go slow. So, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Dun, 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 dun. Drop it low, and then, 6, and put you up, and then, and I will pop, frame, and gang, 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 gang. Let's try that again. So, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Left cheek, dun, dun. Drop it low, and then down. 6, and put you up on this thing, and I will pop, frame, and gang, 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 gang. Okay guys, one last time, a bit faster. So, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Left cheek, da, da. Drop it low, and then now, and 6, and put you up, and then and I will pop, frame, and gang, gang, tap, tap. Alright guys, moving on to part 2. So let me just show you a quick preview of what we're gonna learn. Alright, so this is end of part 1, gang, 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 gang. Part 2 is if you don't jump, then put jeans on. Maybe you don't feel my pain, hold up, and then please don't get hype. And right name ice. Alright, so let me break it down for you. So your arms are already up here after gang, gang, gang. Sorry, gang, gang, gang. Then you want to say cross your arms. So first, you're flipping them around. You're going no, out, push up, down. Yeah, you can go up on your toes if you want. Yeah, so from here, gang, 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 you want to go cross, out, push up, down. Let's just try that. From here, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go cross, out, push up. Here, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go cross, out, push up. Here. Now, the next part is putting on some pants. So we're starting with the left. We're going, put on your pants. And then right, put on your pants. So again, right after whoop, whoop. Here, left, and then right. From here, you want to say, your arms are gonna go wavy, wavy, yeah? And you might also go a bit up on your toes, yeah? So, whoom, whoom. Let's just try that. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go wavy, wavy. You can also just go up here, yeah? And then you wanna go, so wavy, wavy, you wanna go back down and then say fingers point, yeah? So, whoom, whoom, point. Let's just try that. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go wavy, wavy, point. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go wavy, wavy, point. Let's just try from the tip to top. So, gang, 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 gang. Cross, out, up, down. Put on your pants, put on your pants. Now, wavy, wavy, point. All right, let's just practice that. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go cross, out, up. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go cross, out, up, down. Jeans, jeans, wavy, wavy, point. All right, let's try that again. So, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go cross, up, and jeans, jeans, wavy, wavy, point. All right, moving on. Right after wavy, wavy, point, you wanna do this wavy again. It's like a dolphin swimming. Yeah, so whoop, crossing, out, crossing, out. Yeah, so doing 1 and 2. 1, 2. Yeah, so here. And then you want to do one last one to the front. Yeah, so it's up, up, front, here. Let's just try that. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we go wavy, wavy, front. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go wavy, wavy, front. And, alright, now the last part of part 2, so right after wavy, wavy, wavy here, you want to go left, goes around, around. You can even do a bounce, yeah? So it goes, write my name in ice. Yeah, so you bring your right arm up on ice. So, write my name in ice. And, so you're doing 4 times. Write my name in 3, 4. Okay, let's just try that one time. So, we just did whoom. So, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright guys, now let's do everything we've learned in part 2. I'm gonna do a quick recap and then we're gonna practice. So, end of part 1 was gang, 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 gang. Now part 2 is cross, out, push up, down, put your jeans on left, put your jeans on right. Now say wavy, wavy, point. Now it's dolphins, dolphins to the front, back. Now drive 1, 2, 3, 4. And the timing goes gang, 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 gang. If you jump to put jeans on, baby, you won't feel my pain. And then please down, height, and write my name, eyes, and. Alright guys, time to practice. So, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. If you jump to put jeans on, baby, you won't feel pain. And then please down, height, and right eyes, and. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. If you jump, jeans on, you won't feel pain. And then please don't get high, and right the eyes and one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. If you don't jump, jeans on, you don't feel pain. And please turn up, high and right name eyes and. Okay, now it's time to combine part 1 and part 2. I'm gonna do a quick preview and then we're gonna do a quick run through and then we're gonna practice. Alright, so from the tip to the top, it goes da 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 da, sex na na na, put you up na na, partner frame, gang da da, new part jeans on, you don't feel pain, hold up, da na na front and running. Eyes and. Now a quick run through. So from the tip to the top we go swing with your right arm, hip swing, then left swing. Now right arm goes around, down, rotate, step back with your right, left arm goes right to the hip, and then pull. Now step to the front again with your right, point to the front, point up, and then roll around. Now from here you want to drop your right, left stays and go chest pop, right comes up and says open. Now you want to say gang left, right, double gang. Now part 2, cross, out, push up, down, put your hands on, left, and then right. Now wavy on the side, go 1, 2, and then point. From here you want to say dolphins, dolphins, now to the front, back, now drive 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, let me just share the time as well. So it goes left cheek, right cheek, drop na 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 na, and text na na, and put you up na na, and park, and then frame, gang gang, ta ta, and if you don't jump, put jeans on, you don't feel pain, and please na 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 hide, and right na 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 eyes, and okay, time to practice. So we're gonna start slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go left cheek, na na, drop it na 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 na, and text na na na, put you up and then na, and then a park and a frame, and gang 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 gang, and then if you jump, put jeans on, you feel pain, and please na na high, and right my eyes, and alright, let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go left cheek, da na, drop it na na, and Texas na na, and put you up and then na, and on a pop and then frame, and gang gang da da, and if you jump, put jeans on, you don't feel my pain, and please na 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 high, and right my na na eyes. Alright guys, one last time. So a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go left cheek, da da, drop it na na na, text na na na, put you up and then na, and na na pop and then frame, and gang 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 gang, and if you jump, jeans on, you don't feel pain, and please don't na na high, and right na 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 eyes, and